The past is dead. I carve my future from the words unsaid. The edge of the world sings under my feet. I take the fall just to feel the heat. Every scar a mark of the battles won, a reminder that